Now I'm back here as a married woman. We got a little confused. What is this? And look what we have here. Hi guys, did you miss me? I definitely missed you guys. It's been forever and now I'm back here as a married woman. I got married a couple of days ago and it all happened so quickly. Like I don't even know where to start, but literally we planned this wedding in about 15 days and yeah, it just happened. We went with the flow and I'm married and I'm currently at my new house. As you can tell, my wardrobe is still not done, although I have some clothes here now, but we're still under the renovating process. Like we're gonna start the renovation hopefully when Siddharth and I go for a trip. Like we are currently planning a trip, so once we leave for that, the house is going to be renovated because a few things are still left, including the wardrobe. But anyway, welcome to the vlog guys. I missed you and I just thought of vlogging today because there isn't anything happening as such, but I just wanted to come here and say hello because I feel like you guys at least need to know that I'm married, for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, because my Instagram right now is just full of my wedding content. But yeah, for those of you who don't follow me there, I'm married and just wanted to let you guys know. Anyway, I just want to start the vlog right now. I'm currently headed to a salon to get my hair done. My hair has been a hot mess. Like I don't even know where to start because after I got COVID, I started having massive hair fall. Like apparently it is one of the symptoms. My doctors told me that, you know, the hair fall is basically because I had COVID, so I don't really know what to do about it. But I've been eating right, I've been taking all my supplements, but still the hair fall has been quite bad. So I'm just going to a salon to get a hair spa done right now. And also my nails are getting quite crusty at this point. They're kind of growing out and I'm planning to get the extensions off because I'm just done with it. So yeah, that's what I'm up to today. I woke up quite early. I got a lot of work done this morning and now I'm just gonna have my lunch and then go to the salon. And yeah, also yesterday I was really sick. I got my first dose of vaccine done day before yesterday because I had COVID. I couldn't take it. I had to wait for 3 months. I finally got my first dose and then yesterday I felt really sick. Like it was pretty much like getting COVID again. Like literally I had fever, I had body ache, my head was hurting, my arm is still sore, the arm that I got the vaccine on. And yeah, it was quite bad. Siddharth was taking care of me alone, so that was quite new. It was a different feeling of being taken care of by your husband and not your mom. So yeah, that was quite different, but he was super sweet. He was making food for me, he was making chai for me and just taking care of me, so that was very sweet. But yeah, anyway, I am gonna get going. Let me show you what I'm wearing for the day. Please ignore my messy wardrobe space. This is completely gonna change, by the way. Like the flooring, the walls, the curtains, everything's gonna change, so I will show you the process obviously. But for now, this is the look for the day. I'm just wearing this super chill quad set from H&M. I just got it. I've been on this shopping spree guys. Like literally all of this is pretty much new, so I've been shopping a lot. I don't know why. I'm probably also trying to shop stuff for the trip that Siddharth and I are going on, so yeah, that's my excuse. But anyway, I got a super comfy set from H&M, so this is what I have on. Then I just have the silver necklace. This is what my makeup looks like. I've just put concealer, mascara, brows and a lippy. I really like this lipstick. Not the lipstick on my teeth. I really like this lipstick. I'll show you which one I'm wearing. Which brand is it from? Oh, it's from Kiro Beauty. I told you guys about this brand last time also in my favorites. So they've launched a few new colors. So I have a new color on. I'll show you what I'm wearing. But anyway, and then my basic black Oran sandals. I want to get more colors in these because I wear this a lot. And I'm probably just going to carry my tote. So that's my look for the day. I have this lipstick on from Kiro Beauty. If it focuses, it's the liquid lipstick in the shade Nutmeg Nude number 12. We've got so many flowers in the house. We got these gorgeous flowers sent to us from Gucci, Manika and Nidhi. Thank you so much. I absolutely love these. They're gorgeous. And we just got these in the morning from Anam and her husband Gerard. Thank you so much guys. And there's so many more flowers at home. I've just kind of spread them across. And say hello to my husband. Hi. Should I can finally call you husband on my vlogs. So strange.
Before you couldn't call.
Before you want my husband, before you my fiancé. He's off to work now. Good morning, you guys. I have literally just woken up. Currently enjoying my view. Actually, it's raining. I woke up to the sound of the rain because it was raining so heavily this morning, and I'm just having my coffee. I have a long day of work today. This is officially like the first full working day since I got married, because I have been working. Actually, I went to the office on Monday. Today is a Friday, so I was at office on Monday because I had a team meeting with my Arabella team, because we're finally working on a new collection. We've been beating around the bush with the new collection because we went into lockdown. Our fabrics actually get made, and because of the lockdown everything got delayed and we didn't really have new fabrics to work with, so the whole collection got delayed and my fabrics finally arrived. So yeah, we're working on a new collection right now. So on Monday we had a meeting with the workshop and my team, so I'm very excited about that. But today we're basically shooting. I have a meeting at my parents' office first because I'm helping them out with something. So we have a meeting with their marketing team, and then that's a loud bike. And then I go to my office because we're shooting today for Maybelline, a very fun campaign that I'm a part of, and we're also shooting for a footwear brand. Anyway, I am gonna enjoy my view, enjoy my coffee. I don't know what this is, but I see something coming up on my skin. I just hope it's a bite and nothing else. But besides that, it's a good morning. I am just gonna chill for a bit and then get in the shower, get ready, and I'll see you guys what I do. Just showered. I'm just getting ready for the day, and I thought of showing you something because this is something that you guys should know about, like especially if you have acne prone skin. This serum is magical because I actually broke out right after the wedding. Like if you can see, I have a little scar here which is actually gone pretty much. Like the breakout was quite massive, you know, with the stress of the wedding, and I was applying so much makeup because there's so much happening. I broke out, and I've been using something which I think is the reason why the scar actually went away so quickly. It's this amazing serum from Dermaco. It's called the 10% Niacinamide Face Serum, and guys, it's magical. Like if you have acne prone skin, you should definitely make this a part of your routine. And the best part is that the serum is actually fragrance free. It's a new launch from the Dermaco. So this serum is basically in the form of vitamin B3, which is amazing for your skin. I'm just gonna apply it a little bit. Make sure that you don't touch the dropper directly to your skin, just to kind of make sure that you're being hygienic and stuff like that. Because bacteria is also one of the main reasons of causing acne. So I'm just gonna drop like 2 to 3 drops on my face and then just gently massage it. But yeah, as I was saying, vitamin B3 is meant to be amazing when it comes to acne. Like it really helps to clear out the acne marks and scars really fast. It also helps you with like large pores and stuff like that. So it's fab. And also this product has zinc, which is also an amazing ingredient when it comes to acne. Like it really helps you heal the scar really fast, which is great. And zinc also helps you control excess oil in your skin, which is also one of the reasons that you get acne. So overall, it is just like the serum to keep in mind if you have acne prone skin. So yeah, I've been using the serum for a while. As I told you, it's been working wonders for me. And also you can use the serum in the day, but always follow it up with sunscreen, which is very important for your skin anyway. And if you're using it for the first time, make sure you do a patch test on your hand just to make sure that it's working well with your skin, and then use it on your face. Also a little bit about the brand Dermaco. All the products by Dermaco are created using scientific ingredients which are great for your skin, very effective and very safe to use. It's an honest brand. They make sure that all the active ingredients are mentioned on the packaging very clearly, just so that you know what is it that you're putting on your face, which is very important. Like you should always be aware. Like for example, this one clearly mentions that there's 10% niacinamide in this bottle. And I love this. Derma-Co believes in a life without filters. They believe that you should love the skin that you're born in, which is something that you should really embrace. So yes, I'm mentioning all the links down below if you want to check out Derma-Co and this serum as well. And if you want to shop from Derma-Co, make sure you go to their website, thederma-co.com, and use my code JUHI20 because you'll get a 20% off on checkout. But also you can shop it on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart. So yeah, it's basically available everywhere. So definitely check out Derma-Co, and the links are down below, as I said. Yeah, I know. I'm just checking what. Hello.
Hi, it's for your vlog.
Hi. I totally forgot about you guys, but Sanchita is helping me with the vlog. It's been a busy day. We were in a meeting in the morning with Sanchita. Hi. And now we are shooting for the projects. Like, we're shooting for Maybelline right now.
Ah, 3.9 is about to 4 million.
We've got pizza because I'm starving at this point. I really don't care. I need some food.
Bye. So hungry.
That pizza was much needed. Siddharth calling me. No, I'll take that later. But yeah, I'm done. I am just going down. Siddharth's downstairs in the car. He's come to pick me up, and I was just packing. And I'm just leaving. I've just changed into some comfy clothes. This was just at the office, so I just threw it on. And yeah, we're done for the day. It's been a long day actually, quite productive. We shot 2 videos and tons of other things that we had to do, stories and stuff like that. So it's been a long day, like especially when you do beauty shoots, it's a lot more time consuming because you have to like change your hair and makeup constantly. So yeah, anyway. Good afternoon guys. I was gonna say morning, but it's like 2:30 and Siddharth and I are just going out for lunch. And we'll probably stop by food hall as well because we just want to pick up some groceries because we're planning to cook tonight. Yeah, it's the weekend, it's a Saturday, so it's just like a chill day. And this is what I'm wearing, super chill. My favorite jeans, I literally live in these. And my Nike sneakers, I absolutely love these. And this basic yellow top from Zara. Hair in a ponytail. I kind of like my makeup. It's super basic, but who's calling me? So we've been calling restaurants to check if they're open because last Saturday we went out for lunch and the restaurant was open. So we got a little confused, but looks like most of the restaurants that we want to go to are shut. But we're just gonna drive by and see what's open.
Because
if anything's
it's not
open.
allowed on weekends.
Yeah, otherwise
probably when you're calling, they're telling you it's shut. Might be.
I have no idea. Or we might just order in. So we'll see. But either way, at least
Dine out is not allowed, no, on weekends.
Yeah, that's what. But last time we went on a Saturday only, no? Otherwise we'll have to order takeout. And we get to go on a drive. And we also have to go to food hall. It's 3 already. Not sure if we can do everything today, but we'll see. Hi, Mr. Jain.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Nice to meet you.
Are you catching an awkward position?
I'm still recording.
Don't.
What do you say?
We'll just have to like fight and then see what's gonna happen.
What's with the accent? Any sauces? The sriracha thing is here. Look where we landed. Grocery shopping. Because the restaurants were shut, so we just ordered in some lunch. And meanwhile, we are stocking up on snacks for the house. So it's been a very successful weekend so far. We went out for lunch, but none of the restaurants were open. I mean, silly on our part to think that they would be open. Didn't realize what the rules were. And because the last Saturday the restaurant that we went to was open, so I don't even want to name that restaurant at this point because I feel like they'll get into trouble. So yeah, we went to a restaurant last weekend and it was open, so I just assumed that restaurants were open now. So yeah, we've ordered food from Izumi. We're having some Japanese for lunch, and we just went to Nature's Basket to pick up some groceries. Siddharth's friends are coming over tonight maybe. So we just picked up some snacks and stuff for them. And for us, for the house. And now I'm starving. It's like 4 o'clock right now.
See
We've
the
not
crowd?
had at the no, it's not crowded.
No, they're not allowing now
Yeah,
because
beach
of
is
the high
shut.
tide.
Yeah.
Because of the high tide, otherwise people are allowed.
But yeah, starving. It's 4 o'clock. We've not had lunch, so can't wait to eat some food. And the best part is we've got our favorite food. And I wanted to try sushi from this place called Izumi, so we finally ordered. So I'm excited. Food's here, and I'm starving.
Finally.
Some ramen, some rice, and some sushi. The food was so good, and I was so hungry. Like we literally just canned it. Guys, see me. Better. Please don't fall. By the way, welcome to my kitchen. It's not really done as yet. I mean, as you can tell, things are still in boxes. We're still in the process of setting things up. So, yeah. But now we're gonna have some ice cream. I got this dark chocolate sea salted caramel flavor from -30. I really like this place. I bought the dark chocolate flavor when I got my root canal done last time. It was so good. So yeah, we've got some more. If I can open it. Yeah. Oh my god, it looks so good. Today is just one of those days, guys. Just one of those days. But I've got my ice cream bowls. Look at how cute these bowls are. I have been crockery obsessed lately. Like I've been shopping so much home stuff, and I got this from a really nice place called Craft Tribal. I think it's Delhi based. So I bought a lot of my crockery from there. Guys, we're back in the kitchen. I am just prepping a little cheese tray, like a cheese board, and a few chips and dips and all of that because Siddharth's friends are coming over tonight. So I'm just prepping it up and getting the living room ready for everyone. So I just thought I'd say hi and show you what I'm up to. We got a lot of stuff today from Nature's Basket. We ended up going to Nature's because food hall looked really crowded, and both of them are quite close to where we stay. So yeah, we just went to Nature's and we got quite a lot of stuff. So I'm just putting this yummy cheese. What cheese is this? It's a Danish blue cheese, 60% extra creamy. Yum. So yeah, just putting some cheese on the board. I just feel like suddenly our get-togethers and all of that seems so grown up. Like, you know, a couple of years ago I was never about making everything look so perfect when friends are coming home, but suddenly I'm just into hosting and making sure that, you know, we have good snacks and everything looks good. We have candles in the living room, so I've become that person. So things are changing. And that's my cheese board so far. We're just like 4 people. 4 people coming home, and like 2 of us, Siddharth, and maybe Siddharth's younger brother might join us. So we just have some bread for now, some cheddar cheese, some blue cheese. These are 2 dips, and I'm gonna also keep some chips outside, and yeah, we should be good. Hey guys, I'm not sure if you can hear me. Let me quickly switch off the aircon. But hello, welcome to a new day. We obviously got carried away last night and I couldn't really vlog much, but we had a late night last night. Like everyone stayed over till 3 PM, and then Siddharth and I actually stayed up till 4:45 watching a movie, and we were having ice cream. We had some coca noodles and whatnot, so we were just chilling. So it was a fun night, and then we woke up really late this afternoon. We woke up at almost 1, which I've not done in a very long time, like waking up this late, so it's pretty new. But yeah, I woke up at 1 PM, and then, you know, we just started doing a few housey things, like we were cleaning up the kitchen. We got a new mixer, so Siddharth was fixing that. Then we were making his wardrobe, so all of that. So the day just went by, and now I just got ready because we're going to my cousin sister's house tonight. Aishwarya, I'm sure you know, you guys have seen Aishwarya on my YouTube a lot. So I'm going to her house tonight because my sister, okay, fun fact, Aishwarya is actually my niece, but she's just 2 years younger to me, so she's more like a sister to me. And her mom is actually my sister, but so yeah, I call her mom Manju Didi, but she's who's actually my sister, but Ashu and I are more like sisters because of the age gap. So anyway, I'm going to her house today for dinner because they're hosting a post-wedding dinner for Siddharth and I. So my whole family is going to be there today. So I just got dressed. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this super easy oversized shirt. I think this one's from Zara, and I'm probably gonna belt it. I've just asked my mom to get me a chain belt from home because my parents are just coming here for chai and then we'll head together. So yeah, I'll probably belt it up, but this is what I'm wearing, and I have some gold pieces on, both from Preto, this initial necklace J, and I've got these hoops with some pearls on it. That's my makeup, super basic. I still have to put a lipstick on, so that's missing. And I'll probably wear my Valentinos. I've not worn these shoes for ages, so I'm finally gonna wear these. Let's put these on. Ooh. And I'm gonna carry my Bottega for breaking up the color a little bit, and that's the look. Anyway, I just wanted to come and say hi because I wanted to start the vlog. And guys, I'm aware this vlog has been very random, all over the place. It's just a week in my life, but I don't know. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. I'll probably have a chat with you guys in a bit as well. Like Siddharth and I will probably sit and have a chat with you because I actually posted on my story yesterday what you guys want to see more of in the vlogs that I'm going to do for YouTube, and everyone just said that they want a house tour, which I don't want to do just yet because my house is still going to be made. Like, this room is so raw right now, so it doesn't make sense doing a house tour just yet, but hopefully maybe next month I will. And yeah, I'll probably vlog a little bit with Siddharth as well. So yeah. At the back. Good morning, people. It is did I just say good morning, people? That's so weird. Good morning. It's actually almost afternoon right now. I've been up since 8 AM, but I've been doing a lot of work on my laptop and sorting a lot of the wedding photos out because there's just so much that I need to go through, so I've been trying to do that. And now I've been opening my PR packages and stuff like that. I just got these amazing new shoes from Nike. I love them. So yeah, I've just been opening all my PR packages this morning and sorting things out, and I just thought of starting the vlog. Today is basically a work day. I have a meeting with Anisha at about 1:30, so I'm just gonna quickly finish with this and go shower, get ready for the day, and go for the meeting. And that's about it. We're basically just planning the content that we're trying to create for the week ahead, and just sorting all the collaborations out, all the shoots, all the projects and all of that, because Wednesday is like a full-on shoot day, and tomorrow I am basically going to spend my day at the Arabella office. So we're just trying to sort the week out. So today is that. I have a meeting with Anisha, and yeah, that's what it is. I'm gonna get through these packages and I'll see you guys maybe once I'm dressed, because right now I look like a hot mess. And this room gives me anxiety right now because there's just so much stuff everywhere. It needs to be sorted, but it won't look sorted until and unless the house is done. So yeah, we just have to wait it out. Alright, so I'm ready for the day, and this is what I have on. Super simple. I got this top from Zara. It's super cute. I love the color, and just some jeans, basic flats, and my tote because I have my laptop in this as well. And for earrings, I'm wearing my mom's earrings. I absolutely love them. And just a watch. This is what my face looks like today. I haven't really put a lot of makeup, just concealer, brows, mascara, and the lippy, the usual jam. I've been using this color from K Beauty, which I've been really liking. I'll show it to you in a second, but yeah, that's my face. And look at these earrings. Anyway, I'm gonna head. Siddharth's gonna drop me to Soho. My meeting's at Soho House, and then I'll probably have lunch at Soho today because I'm running late now. So.
Let's be proud to be an Indian. Yeah, Bharatiyas, let's us.
The top at least.
I don't know what she's wearing. Wasn't she wearing something red?
Huh, but similar style is what I'm saying.
Oh. I wanted to show you guys these hampers that I curated to send to all our friends and family who couldn't kind of make it to the wedding, like because we had a very intimate wedding and we could only invite a limited guest list. So there were so many people that we couldn't invite, so we just sent this little hamper to them at home with a little note that's right here. And this is what it looked like. I got it done from Petal Artisan. There you go. She does amazing decor, like event decors, and she also does amazing hampers. So yeah, I love her work, so I did this with her and she's done a fab job. We basically kept like the whole tropical theme of the wedding in mind to create this hamper. That's why we also have a coconut kept here. And also the whole artwork is from our wedding and a little logo right here. And yeah, we've got an assortment of breads, some chips and dips. There's a chocolate bun cake and also some dips right here at the back. So yeah, that's what the hamper looked like. And I just have 2 here now that have to go to the remaining people. All of the other hampers were sent out over the weekend. Just got this massive IKEA delivery and there are so many boxes. This is kind of the finishing part of the closets that we got from IKEA. All of these are from IKEA, so I just needed a few more shelves and drawers. So most of these boxes are that. These 2 boxes are drawers, and then I think this one has the smaller bits that I ordered for the house, like for the kitchen and all. So let's open it. So all we have in that box is this. So this is my laundry basket. Adulting and how, like I'm literally buying laundry baskets. And I have a chopping board. Exciting things, right? Knives, I needed these. I was borrowing Siddharth's mom's knife so far to like cook whatever that I've been cooking. So yeah, I got my own. This one's huge. Like I don't know what am I going to use this one for, but yeah. Then I got this. This is my kitchen paper roll stand. Then I got a kitchen napkin. I like the print. Then these are some adhesive hooks to hang the kitchen towel on. And then we have some whiskey glasses. I ordered these from IKEA last time and we really like those. So we called for some more to finish up the set. It's quite neat. And yeah, that's about it. And the laundry basket. And look what we have here. I am so excited about this one. Thank you so much Manika and Nidhi and Gucci for this Prezi. I can't wait to unbox this, but I think I'm gonna do this on a video because I know what's in here and I kind of want to unbox it and review and talk about my first impressions about this bag. So let's wait it out. But oh my god, I'm so excited. And yeah, maybe and I think the next video after the vlog is probably gonna be an unboxing video of this bag. So stay tuned, but I'm so excited. Good morning guys. I am just getting ready for the day and I feel like this vlog has already become a really long one, although I didn't really have the chance to really sit and talk to you, but I've just been at it. Like I've been doing so much this whole week, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, whatever this was. Like I'll really come to know what the vlog was all about when I sit to edit, but I think today I'm gonna end the vlog. But I'm still gonna take you through the day with me. I'm just getting ready because I'm going out for lunch today with my girls. I'm meeting Ashna, Riya and Santoshi for lunch, and that's gonna be fun because I'm literally seeing them after the lockdown. Like since COVID I haven't really met them. Also, in case my eyes look weird, I just have mascara on this eye and this eye I still need to do. But yeah, I'm seeing them like after 2 years. It's been ages. So we're just going to Chicconi's at Soho, and it's gonna be fun. I miss them for sure. Like, I used to meet them so much for work, you know, pre-COVID. We've traveled so much in 2019, and then suddenly didn't really get to meet anyone. And also, like, I haven't met them since the wedding, obviously. So today is gonna be fun. I'll take you guys along. I'll try and vlog whatever I can, but for now I'm just getting ready, and I'm just doing my makeup, as you can tell. And we're ready to go. I wasn't sure if I should leave my hair open or shut, but I asked Siddharth and he thinks I should keep my hair open. He always likes my hair open for some reason, but yeah. So I think I'm just gonna go with open hair because I washed my hair today, so might as well. And that's my makeup. I love this lip color. Let me show you which one this is actually, because it's so good and it actually stays like the whole time, because usually most lipsticks need a retouch, but this guy I am very impressed with. It's this one from K Beauty, this little lip crayon, and I can't really see the color name. I'll try and leave the shade down below. If I do happen to leave it, definitely check it out because it's really good. Like, if you have a wheatish skin tone like mine, this brown color looks fab, at least in my opinion. So anyway, let me show you my outfit and then I'm gonna get going. This is my outfit. I really like it. Like, Siddharth's dad literally thought I was wearing pajamas the other day when I wore these, but it's from Zara. This said it's super comfy. It's like super soft cotton material, and I have these silver hoops and this chunky necklace, my Bottega. It goes perfectly well with the print because it's got some blue tones in it. And I'm just wearing my white heels to dress up the look. This is in my vlog reel. I'm vlogging, yeah. I am so grateful for all these amazing wedding gifts that I've been getting. I just got this one from Masaba, and it's this gorgeous sari. Let me show you. It's so pretty. I love the color. It's got this green blouse as well inside. I mean, how stunning. Thank you so much, Masaba. I can't wait to wear this. It is literally super stunning. I love the color. Okay, I just realized I forgot to film an outro, and I'm actually at my parents' house. This must be a familiar background back here, back home, and I'm here for the night basically. I got here sometime back and I was actually just editing the vlog and I realized I didn't film an outro. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. The last time I vlogged was when I went for lunch with the girls, and it actually turned out to be like a long day. Santoshi, Riya and Ashna came home and we were just chilling, like catching up. There was so much to talk about because we literally met after 2 years almost, and then Siddharth came in the evening after work, so we were all hanging out together. We had dinner. So yeah, it was a really fun evening and night and all of that. It was just so nice catching up with everyone, and yeah, that's about it. So I just wanted to end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what else you want to watch next, and I'll see you soon.